What's the meaning of amply? Amply. 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 Amply.
The word amply means to do something in a plentiful or more than sufficient manner. It is often used to describe the degree or extent of something, indicating that it is more than enough or adequately fulfilled. For instance, if someone says they have been amply rewarded for their efforts, it suggests that they have received a rich and fulfilling reward. Similarly, if a writer has developed an argument amply, it implies that they have given an extensive and thorough explanation. In short, amply connotes abundance, sufficiency, and completeness.